Hello my friends, today I am here to tell you about the 5 ways by which you can reduce the period pain. As we know that period is a natural process in every woman, so instead of complaining and suffering from period pain, we should know the ways which provide relief from menstrual pain like cramps and premenstrual syndrome. So let's start. First and the easiest way to reduce the period pain is keep a hot water bag on your lower belly. Heat that they produce help to relax the muscles in your lower torso and ease up the cramping pain. Second way is doing this pose for 5 minutes while on periods. Doing this may provide relief from menstrual complaints like cramps and premenstrual syndrome. Third way is when you are on your period, sit with your legs up on the wall, keeping your butt as close to the wall for 20 minutes. This helps relax muscles and helps reduces cramps and menstrual pain. Fourth way is take a hot bath and drink more water. Get in the habit of drinking 6 to 8 glasses of water per day, especially during your period, and you should drink warm water as far as possible. Fifth way is eat to reduce pain. Diet is key. You may be craving fatty, sugary or salty foods when you have your period, but these foods are not your friends. Skip the donuts and potato chips. Eat more calcium-rich beans, almonds, and dark leafy green vegetables. And you can eat chocolate also. As we know that eating chocolate is every girl's favorite. It also elevates your mood. You can also take a sip of ginger tea. It will manage your period pains. So guys, these are the 5 ways to reduce your period pain. But if you try all these ideas and you still feel a lot of period pain, it may be time to talk to someone and must talk to your doctor about this. And guys, in the end, I would only tell that eat iron rich whole foods because your body loses blood and must wash your hands before and after changing sanitary pads. Change your sanitary pads every 6 to 8 hours and stay hydrated because not drinking enough water and forcibly avoiding urination can cause infection and excessive bleeding. And please avoid caffeine, it makes cramps worse. Okay, so guys, that's what I want to tell you. If you like this video, then please share this video with your friends so you can help your bestie from painful periods. And please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for my upcoming videos related to health. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy.